Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jackie Kimani. For those who are new here, um, I share a lot about hair. I share a lot about life in Germany and how you can come to Germany. So in today's video, I am going to do a flat twist on my hair. So here I'm basically just dividing the hair. You can see I'm getting the angles. I want to get the angles right because I want it to be, I don't want it, it can't be perfect, but I want it to be a good division. I want it to look neat. So I'll first section the front part for the small flat twist. As you can see, I'm sectioning the front part of the hair. So here I did a big twist to tie all of the hair to avoid shrinkage, because I'm going to start with the back part. So when I come to the front part, it wouldn't have shrunk. I am sectioning the back part. The white substance is the leave-in. I have applied leave-in on my hair, so it will definitely go away. The back part I am sectioning into two sections. It doesn't have to be equal, but try as much as possible to make them look equal. Not twins, but sisters, at least. Here I've finished doing the back part. It wasn't very easy for me to film the back part because it required a lot of struggle, so I decided I'll show you clearly how I'm doing the front part, how I do the flat twist on the front parts. First of all, always make sure to detangle your hair. You can detangle with a brush like the one I'm using. Make sure that your hair is very detangled for a smooth process, for a smooth braiding. So this is my first time ever doing flat twist, and I really can't complain. They are not so hard to do. You know, some people can't do cornrows, but let me tell you, flat twists are very easy to do, especially if you can twist. Normal twist, it's very hard. It's very simple. It's just like doing normal twist, but now you are adding a little bit of hair, you know. It's like normal twist, but you add a piece of hair just slowly. It's very easy. This is the easiest, and it didn't take a lot of time. It took like 30 minutes, and if it was like the other twist, I'll have taken maybe an hour or more. So I highly recommend. So this is the final outcome. I decorated my hair. I love decorating my hair, so I used some metallic beads to decorate the hair, and it looks good. It's very beautiful. I love how I did it.